hear that? What is that noise? And why does my bike run like this? If anybody can help me, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh my.